we are going to have a look at some of the use cases that are possible in business to implement such rack systems. So the first use case is in the field of customer support and help desk automation. So the main use case or the problem statement here is how can we automate responses to frequently asked questions and troubleshoot common issues and provide product or service information to the user. So this is already possible with the help of bots, but the current limitation is that the responses are very much predetermined and does not help in answering to certain aspects of the question which the user asks. So if you use a chatbot like this that has the ability or that has the information about frequently asked question, common issues and other product related information, the chatbot will be able to help it answer in a much clearer way to the user. Now how can we implement such system is that we can integrate such rack system into our current customer relationship management softwares. Then we utilized the NLP and the large language models to generate accurate information from what the data that is available on that particular database. So this benefit is we get the reduces the need for humans to actively involved in answering such lower level requests, and then the humans can be reallocated to handling much complex issues. Now next is the internal knowledge management. So this particular use case is that we have a chatbot that has access to all the internal company details and reports, financial, etc., that can be used to answer questions. So it can be implemented across the board, from say the top positions such as CEOs to bottom employees. If they want any particular information about the company, they can quickly ask this particular chatbot and the chatbot will be able to answer those questions quickly, so they don't have to spend time going through all the different documents, etc. So this again helps in saving the employee time and increases the productivity, while actually it provides the cost savings in the form of time. Then we have HR support and employee onboarding. So rack system can be implemented here also by giving it access to all the frequent onboarding procedure which usually there is for very large corporate companies, and also regarding the HR policies and other related policies that the employee may have questions about, which they usually approach the HR employees. So without that, if you implement a rack system which have access to those different documents, then the employee can easily ask this particular rack pipeline to get all this information. Next we have sales and marketing support. So here we provide sales team with quick access to product information, sales script, market research, and we can also ask it to generate in particular formats that can be used by the sales team to quickly make presentations, etc. One way we can again implement this, again integrate with our CRM system, sales database, then use AI to generate and customize marketing content based on the user queries and preferences. Next, in the case of project management and collaboration, so let us say we can build a rack system that can assist project managers by providing updates, tracking project milestones, retrieving relevant documents, and also help in communicating with the team members also. So we can implement such rack systems in project management tools like Trello, and use it to automate status and milestone tracking, etc. And these rack system can further be expanded into generating reports that the project manager that they usually submit it to their higher ups regarding the project update, etc. So this really helps in saving a lot of time. Then the technical and IT help desk. So when providing a technical support to common IT issues or assisting with software related issues, we can use RAG system to help the users in a much better way and much than the current chatbot system we are having, where we have a predetermined output for particular user, and we use the natural language system to match what the user queries and generally give a pre-written answer. So the RAG system can again be used to give much more clearer customized instructions to the user based on the level of understanding he has with those particular technical aspects of the product. So this helps us in increasing again the customer satisfaction, and also allows us to reallocate such people who are handling such requests to much higher complex tasks. We have the legal and the compliance assistant, so we can retrieve such legal document summaries of previous legal cases, then compliance regulation and contract management, etc., to help the legal team by helping them generate such contents at a much quicker pace without missing out on key contents. Because in RAG system, what helps us is that since the updated context is provided each time a user asks those particular questions, the model does not hallucinate and gives us more accurate answers in such scenarios. Then we have the research and development use case, where we assist researchers in identifying scientific papers, summarizing research findings, and provide access to all the relevant data sets, links, etc. So if we connect it to such a database and or provide information on real time from the net, we can assist the research in actually doing the most time consuming part of reading through papers, finding important conclusions, result, etc., and help us move on to the actual research part much quicker. Then we have finance and accounting use case, where we provide assistance in generating financial reportings, tracking budgets, then retrieving financial document and answering questions that are related to accounting policies and procedures and etc. So here how one way we can implement a RAG system that integrates with software such as SAP or QuickBooks, and then use it to automate the retrieval of financial data and generate report. Then we have in the supply chain and procurement, again we integrate such a RAG system with ERP systems like Oracle or SAP, and then assist vendor management, tracking inventory levels, generating such supply chain reports that really helps increase those efficiency and cost. So these are some of the use cases that we think is very good and helps us in a lot of cost savings for companies if they went ahead and implemented it. So if you want such implementations or prototype such implementation, feel free to contact us.